we've got a little.
Is this the new queen, the
new queen?
The new queen that you got recently, or?
Yeah, we got it on Monday.
Okay, and now it's Sunday, so yeah, 6 days old.
A little bit early.
They look very calm and very nice.
Yeah, hopefully they've got her out. Yeah, she's up. No, she's still in there, but they've eaten away all the comb. Is she? Well, I'm not gonna. Is she still in there?
Yeah, there she is.
Where?
Oh yeah,
Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna put her back in because I don't want her to fly away. Okay, I wonder if it was.
So you are just checking this hive, yeah?
Just checking that they've eaten away and their
queen is still alive. And
yeah.
Seem to be alright.
Yeah.
These guys. What's the story here?
So I'm just seeing if they're doing the same thing on that comb. They are.
Yeah. So these plastic combs or frames are really not good. Where did we get them from? From the shop?
Yeah. And they build like a little tunnel underneath them.
Yeah. Okay. So it's better just to get the wooden ones with the wires, and then just put the natural wax frames in there.
I might take this up and try and paint it all off.
Should we wax it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
See how we go waxing.
You got some hot wax already, and we can just
here we go.
wax it and see what happens then.
Put that back in.
Because that's just not what we want. Oh, we learn. What about the other one? The other black one? Do that one also. Oh. That is well just. There's probably nothing on it also. Yep. 0.
Compared to the timber one.
Yeah, look at that.
They're building it out.
Look at that. Look at that.
It's all built out.
Wow. So that's with the timber wires,
with
natural wax.
Yeah, with the foundation.
Natural wax paper, yeah?
Yeah.
Foundation. Think twice before you get that plastic on. But we're gonna coat it with wax that we melted, and let's see if that makes a difference.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Good.
The ones out of here. Remember, you've got some in yours as well, then.
Yeah.
Just one.
Very sturdy, but no activity. Almost 0.
Compared to the timber one, nothing on that one.
Can they get through the bottom of this hive?
Yeah, this has got a vent on the bottom.
So can the bees get through?
The bees can't get through.
No, the bees can't. No. But they push all the impurities through.
Yeah. Alright, I'll put the lid back on. I'll get that one going as well. I think I did put these ones. Anyway.